Hi, in this quick how-to video I'm showing you how you can use the Netlify drop plugin for ChatGPT. So let's get going. The first step is you need a ChatGPT Plus account, otherwise you can't use the plugin marketplace. You select ChatGPT 4, click here in the drop down and go to plugin store, search for Netlify drop and click on install. Done. Now back in the conversation, it should be selected already, so you see here the Netlify logo. If not, you can click the drop down and select it here. Now in the next step, we already create a web page. So let me quickly copy over a simple prompt. In this prompt, I'm saying create a website with lorem ipsum copy with the layout of a newsletter landing page. So let's execute that command. And now it says it gives some basic advice as always in ChatGPT. And now it starts creating the HTML and CSS maybe, yeah. So let's wait a bit. By the way, this prompt is very simple. So you could add very complex prompts. For example, you could say use a specific Google font, specific colors. Here are some images that you should use and lots of more stuff. I have a very detailed tutorial on that. So it should be done in a second. Now it creates the HTML after the CSS was completed. And as soon as it's done, it will ask us if we want to publish this page. And this is where the Netlify drop plugin comes in. Would you like me to deploy this to Netlify? And we say yes. Now using Netlify drop. Wait a second. It's taking a bit longer than usual. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. No, this is very unusual. This how-to video is based on this blog post I wrote. So here's a more detailed description and also some screenshots. If you prefer to read at your own pace and take a look at the screenshots. In here in the tutorial, I also showed how you could add placeholder images. So there's a placeholder image service that called placeholder.com, and in my ChatGPT prompt, I asked to add placeholder images so that I have some images on the landing page. Now let's check again. So here it is. The website has been successfully deployed. You can view it here. So I click the link, it opens up. So this is a very basic newsletter landing page. And I could send around that link. So I don't need to be logged in or anything. So I open my private browser window. You can see anybody can access it. But it's only live for 1 hour. So if you want to use actually want to use the page or keep it longer alive, you can claim the page. So you sign in with your Netlify account, you could connect your custom domain and so on. But I usually don't do that. I use this mainly for like creating a prototype of some content I already got to get a feeling of what the content could look like on a web page. And if this 1 hour is over, you can just hop into the conversation again and say redeploy. So the page would then be created again. So I hope this is helpful to you. I think this is very powerful, and we are just seeing the very first steps of what will be possible in the future by with creating websites by prompts. Be sure to check out the full tutorial. I hope this short video was useful to you.